Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in my previous video, I show you that how you can convert your One UI 8.5 quick panel into liquid glass just like this or like this. If you haven't watched that video, link will be in the description. But in this video, I will show you how you can convert your quick panel into like this, like 3D fluffy icons or like this. So without further delay, let me show you how you can convert this normal quick panel into the fluffy icon quick panel. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing you have to do is you have to take a screenshot of your own quick panel. But before taking a screenshot, you have to turn off all the features, example mobile data, Wi-Fi, etc. and all lower the brightness and also the volume. Okay, now take a screenshot. Alright, after taking a screenshot, now you can increase the phone brightness and also you can turn on all the features. For example, let me turn on the Wi-Fi because we will need the Wi-Fi. And after that, you have to download this app called ChatGPT. If you have already downloaded, it's good. Now open the ChatGPT. Now in ChatGPT, tap on plus and tap on photos and select the screenshot just now you taken, right? Tap on done. Now paste the prompt. It's a very long prompt. I custom made it. Don't worry, I will give you in the description. And after that, just tap on send and it will convert our normal quick panel into fluffy. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it converted our normal quick panel into this fluffy icons. And also, if you are not happy with this overall outcome, you can just say like this, or you can give your own custom. Like, can you please use different color combination and more feathers, etc., etc. It's up to you. For example, I'm just giving this prompt. Let's see what it will do. As you can see, now the color combination is completely changed and also it has added more feather into this tiles. As you can see, it looks so amazing. It looks like popping quick panel if you see it. Okay, now if you want to apply this into our quick panel, what you have to do is we have to save this. Just tap on it and click on save and it will save into our phone gallery. Okay, now the image has been saved to gallery. Now let me go back to home screen and open the phone gallery and let me tap on recent. And this is the image just now we saved, and this one also I created, this one and also this one. For example, right now we want to apply this quick panel into our quick panel, right? What you have to do is just tap over here and tap on this pencil icon. And you will see this option over here on your Samsung phone. Obviously, tap over here, this icon, and tap on lasso, L-A-S-S-O, tap over here and zoom it. After, okay, for example, let me circle this. Manually we have to select icon one by one. For example, let me select this quick save and it will automatically select, and let me tap on save and now you have to tap on done. Now please note here you have to save as copy. Okay, don't just save it. If you tap on save, it will replace. You have to save as copy. Again, let us again tap on this pencil icon and tap over here, and again let me tap on lasso, and this time let me manually select this box. It will automatically select it. Okay, let me just do it, and you can see it manually selecting it. So now let me tap on save. Again, let me done and three dot over here and let me save as copy. Okay, and let me fast forward the video, and we have to do this for all the icons. Okay, like the quick share, do not disturb, Wi-Fi, etc, etc. Okay, let me fast forward the video and let me separate all of these icons. All right guys, now I have separated all these icons from small to big. As you can see, I have separated every one of them. So after separating, what you have to do is just go back to your home screen and open GoodLock app, and here you will find this plugin called where is that plugin? Quick Start. Tap on it on GoodLock, and if it's turned off, just turn it on and tap on edit panel style. Tap over here. Now here you will find this option. Now first tap on box and go to gallery, and we have to select the box one. Where is the box one? I think this is the box one. Okay, now if I scroll down, you will notice that all the fluffy icon has been applied to this box. Okay, now let me apply one by one on media player brightness and also the volume one. All right, as you can see, I have applied all the tiles. Okay, now let me go back to home screen, and if I scroll down, you will notice that all the fluffy icon has been applied, as you can see, and all the function is working. If I tap on torch, you can see torch is opening, and obviously all the buttons are functional. Alright guys, this is how you can convert your normal Samsung quick panel into this fluffy quick panel. Obviously, I made this in one go, so one take, so you can make it more perfect. Okay, if you try, you can make the edges more perfect. You can do a lot of things, alright? So I make this video in one take, so maybe this is not that perfect, but still it looks so much amazing, right? The prompt link will be in the description, and also guys, if this video was helpful, please give it a like. Like is completely free, but it really motivates me. And also guys, next time, what theme you want, let me know in the comments. Also watch that liquid glass quick panel video. Link will be in the description. Bye, take care.